Assalamu alaikum students. Abdul here, your instructor for mathematics and accounting. So today we have brought a new video for you which is about the paper pattern and syllabus overview for the further pure mathematics. The code is 4PM1 International GCSE. So this International GCSE Further Pure Mathematics is it's similar to the additional mathematics as well, which we have for the Cambridge IGCSE, and it's like an extra subject to the normal maths that every student gives, which is 4MA1 of the Edexcel. This is the Edexcel video, the Edexcel curriculum that we are talking about here. Let's have an overview of what the topics and the content are and how does the paper distribution is there for the Pearson Edexcel International GCSE 4PM1, also called Further Pure Mathematics, which is similar to additional mathematics, and this helps a lot for the A-level mathematics if you are going to take in your A-levels. So this video is for all the parents, students, and for the teachers as well who are thinking of teaching this, and for the students understanding that if you are taking this subject as an extra one, what topics you need to cover, each and everything in detail completely covered. The first important thing is that this syllabus have two papers. So you will be giving two papers, which is paper 1 and paper 2. Both of the papers are of 100 marks each. So each paper is 100 marks. The weightage of the papers is each paper you will be allowed students 2 hours time period. Each paper you will be allowed 2 hours time period, and you have to solve 11 questions with lot of parts, A, B, C, D, sometimes 5 parts as well, sometimes 3 parts. So each paper 1 will also have 11 questions, and paper 2 also will have 11 questions, and each paper have the same weightage, that is 50% weightage, to make it the total 100% weightage to get the exam result, which is you can score 9, which is 8, 7, 8, 9 grade boundaries. Also A stars, A is high, B, low, B, all of these things. What students need to understand, this further pure mathematics for the International GCSE Edexcel is divided into 3 portions. Students should be studying about numbers. The content summary means that what topics you need to cover. Now about the syllabus, and it's all about the algebra and the calculus. Calculus calculus means the differentiation and the integration parts, the product rule, quotient rule. These all topics are very helpful at the A levels if you do this at the IGCSE levels of yours. Please understand, both papers calculator is allowed. Very important point is, the good thing is for each and every student, the calculators are allowed for all the papers, paper 1 and paper 2. And you have to also do the third section, which is geometry and trigonometry, that you have to do about coordinate geometry, gradients, midpoints, perpendicular bisectors. Also we can say revision of sine rule, cosine rule, how to do circular measures, radians chapter, how to get the angles from a different range. So that is what the syllabus content summary is. We'll discuss in detail how many total chapters are there. I'll just show you the formula sheet is also available. So just a quick look at the formula sheet as well, which will be available students, which will talk about some double angles of trigonometry are available, arithmetic geometric series formulas are available. Series chapter we have some mensuration formulas, sphere, volume, surface area, and cone as well as logs, some understanding of logs as well. I would recommend everyone should see the specification of this from the easily available on the internet. You will understand that there's a lot of other things as well, some formulas that you should know about, how to get the basics of differentiation, how to get the basics of integration, basic formulas of coordinate geometry. That is very important. It says appendix number 5, which is the formulas to learn as well. Coming back, what we have is the topic summary now. So students should know that these are the 10 syllabus topics, the 10 main headlines for you to follow to complete the whole syllabus, which is the chapter starts from logs and indices. You should know about surds, how to rationalize. There are exponential functions, logs, how to do the base of law, change of base law. Then the second chapter talks about quadratics, where we should know completing the square quadratic formula, as well as how to get the roots. Alpha and beta comes in this one. There is inequalities as well. Okay, there are basically identities and the inequalities. Okay, how to do the shading region, how to do basically apply the identities, all of those things. Then you have graphs of different cubic functions, reciprocal graphs, and then we have to get solutions from those graphs as well. We also have the series and the binomial chapter as well, in which we have arithmetic, geometric series, how to do the ascending orders of the power, how to expand binomial expansions and similar parts attached to them. Then we have vectors. Vectors is all about scalar quantities, how to get the how to prove vectors, how to find solutions of lambda and the mu value, different types of common we have in vectors that we have to talk about. And 8, 9, 10 are all about that I have mentioned. Trigonometry, calculus, and coordinate geometry, these are all about how to apply, how to get the solutions of the x values. Trigonometry will be about how to get the angles, how to get the measurements. Calculus will be applying the rates of change, practical example questions, how to do maximum minimum points in calculus, as well as coordinate geometry can be anything perpendicular, bisector, and all concepts related to midpoints, gradient of the line. So it's a very good syllabus code if you are looking for the online classes. And for this exam session is available for the June series and the October series as well, since the January series is discontinued now. So you can only give exams for the international GCSE, further pure mathematics, in the June and the November series. You can contact me for the classes as well, for recorded lectures as well. I'll be able to help you out. Hope everyone understands. This is a summary video. We'll be definitely doing some past paper questions and some content knowledge, conceptual understandings of these as well soon. Have a great day. Take care. Thank you.